what's going on? My name is Wendy Joe, and we're going to talk today about how to create a video listing for your digital download products. And I did show you guys here a way that you can do that. That's pretty simple, but this is another way that you can do it that I actually like more, just because it kind of kills two birds with one stone. So I'm going to share my screen with you and show you how we do it. First step in this process is to actually pull up the template that you're going to use or that you're going to be selling. And obviously this is just a standard template right off of Canva. This is not something you can sell, but I wanted to just show you the process on something that was not related to my shop at all. So this is just a media kit template. It's a very simple one. I actually think I want to do a different one just because I want to have more options to change colors. Let's do this one. Apply both pages. Okay, so we're going to pretend like this is the media kit that you are selling. And what you want to do is you want to do a screen recording. Obviously your face isn't going to be down here in the corner, but you're going to do a screen recording and you're going to show them how to edit this template. So you're going to go in here and you're going to show them how you can change out the different elements within the document. And it doesn't have to be super fancy because the videos can only be 5 to 15 seconds long on Etsy. Now, obviously it's going to take you longer than 5 to 15 seconds to create this, but once you are done with this screen recording, then you are going to go in and you're going to edit it either in iMovie or CapCut or whatever, so that you can use it in your listing video. So the next thing you're going to do is go into a video editor like iMovie or CapCut. You can use that as well. This is a little more difficult for me on here simply because I am using a video that I'm creating for a video that makes it a little bit more difficult, but we're going to do the best we can here. So this is the video I just recorded. Now, obviously it is me talking over here. You wouldn't normally have that, but you can see where I went in and showed the editing. You know, the first thing you can do is kind of edit it a little bit to show, because I started with that one template. And okay, so I can do that. Increase the speed. So you have the speed here, and we're going to do fast, which takes us to 1 minute and 31 seconds. So now we're going to go to 8x, that's 22. 20x is 9 seconds. Okay, so I'm hitting the play button and it's basically fast forwarding through all of the elements that I did. Honestly, if I was doing this for a normal video, I wouldn't do it that fast because you don't actually get to see like the typing happening. Maybe take some off the end down here. But I mean, you know, you can play around with it. So that makes it 16 seconds. That's still a little bit long, but you get the idea. So you're creating a quick video that can be used on your Etsy site that shows the editing taking place. So now I'm going to export the file. We're going to do Etsy tutorial. Next. Save that to my desktop. Inside of Canva again, and this time I've created a blank document that's 2700 by 2025. This is the size that I use for Etsy listing videos. And now we're going to actually create that video for our listing. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for a computer. Let's see. All right, so we're going to do this. And you can do whatever you want to with this. On this background, I just went and I found a desk. I searched for a desk and found a desk. You could also just do a simple background color. If you wanted to do that, you could do that. And then you could even add some words down here. The next thing you're going to do is go in and you're going to upload that video that you just created. You have the option, obviously, of making this much, much bigger, which I would definitely recommend, honestly, just because you want the main theme, the main idea to be them actually seeing what it is that you are editing. And you know, you want to do what works with your aesthetic for the background, as opposed to doing something that's so like bold and in your face. I think I would, whatever your color theme is, that's what I would do for the background there. You could do that, or if you don't want to do the computer at all, delete the computer, and then you're just going to edit this to where it fits into that screen. Okay, so now we're going over inside of Etsy, and when you click to add a new listing, you can see there's where you can add a video. So you're going to click this, and then you are going to upload that video that you just created inside of Canva. And because it's the right size and the right length, you won't have any issues with the upload, which is nice because you know all of the elements now. And once you have that, then what happens is when you have a video, here you go. When you have a video that's on your listing, then it's going to actually play that video when people hover over it to show you or show them what you have to offer. So it just really adds a lot to your listing. That's the process of adding a video to your Etsy listing that will do two things for you at once. If you're curious about how to actually upload Canva templates to Etsy, make sure and check out this video, and I show you exactly how to do that because there is a workaround you have to do. And if you like my content, make sure to subscribe. I have lots of content on Etsy and other ways to earn passive income. Thanks for watching.